Hey guys, Jason CV Customs. So we just got this truck from a wrecking yard. We saved it from scrap. And yeah, let's start from the beginning. If you guys like the video, like and subscribe. We'll see what happens with this truck. When we get it all done, I'm going to show you guys what we're doing with the truck.
All right, time to get it out.
At some point in time, you'll have to manhandle the steering wheel.
Yeah, I'll get over to it right now. And go over and get the new project out.
What's the worst that can happen?
I always like to say, let's see what happens.
I don't know if it's in neutral or not.
Let me check. I think it's in neutral. Got a 3 on the tree. Let's see. No, it's not in neutral. We're gonna have to pause it for a second, guys. All right, so again, it's the new truck we just picked up. We thought it wasn't in neutral, but apparently it is in neutral. So we're gonna have to pick it up. Back drums are probably locked. So we got the guard dog. And you're really tough. Okay. So I think we're just gonna get under the back end here with the forks and pull it out.
When I sold Expedition, I got 7, huh?
See if it'll go out straight or if I gotta. No, he's up.
Wish me luck.
Yeah, I may have to grab the wheel if it tries to go towards that car.
Yeah, come on, fix that one and sell it.
Yeah. Let's make sure. There we go. It's like going straight. Looks like she's gonna clear. All right. So it looks like the truck's out, guys. I'm gonna get her on the trailer and we'll get her home and wash her. And we got a new game plan to get it on the trailer because the front tires are flat and the hubs are locked up. He's gonna drag it up on the trailer and then we'll go slide it onto his tow truck and we'll go slide it onto my trailer. He's got a lot of other projects out here too. So that's how it worked, guys. Ended up winching it on. Now we'll get it back and clean it up. Got to put the straps on too. All right, guys, we're back at the yard. I'm gonna get the hood thrown back on this thing. I got the tires aired up, so it should roll off the ramps a lot easier. We'll get it over to the pressure washer and see what we actually got here. I'll let you guys know after that what we're doing with it.
came off the side.
I did.
We'll see in the video.
Yeah, I did.
All right, guys, we're gonna get it to the wash rack.
All right, guys, we're over here ready to wash. What I did find in the back is the other 2 hubcaps. So we got all 4 hubcaps. And we threw the hood back on because it's not really set. It looks like it's bent too. But the triple diamond hood ornament is still there, so that was pretty cool. Headlight rings and stuff. So, all right, we're gonna get it washed. Those little flakes flying off.
Move around to the front.
Okay, so get a good shot and I'm gonna.
All right, guys, so we got it cleaned up. There's a lot of good things about the truck. but this truck has a different purpose. Normally we save them. This truck's actually going to go towards putting together 2 other trucks. I purchased the truck because I need the bed for a 1956 International build that came with no bed. It's a 4-wheel drive. It's a neat truck. I just needed a bed for it. I've got another guy, he's actually the painter, and he's L&M Painting on YouTube. You guys can check him out. But he's going to do the paint job for the 35 that we're working on now. And he needs steering column, engine, transmission, pedal assembly for his 52 build. So this truck, in the end, is not going to be scrapped or go away, but it's not going to be its own truck. So that's the game plan. I know it's bittersweet, but this truck won't be intact very much longer.